Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, and we really think you'll enjoy this one. We recently discovered a fantastic wood carving tools set, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what makes this wood carving tools set such a great choice for both beginners and experienced carvers alike. This complete kit includes a total of 15 essential tools designed to help you bring your wood carving dreams to life. Among the tools, you'll find a detail knife, a whittling knife, a hook knife, and a geometric carving knife, all crafted to provide you with the versatility you need. Additionally, the set includes a leather strop, polishing compound, a sharpening stone, a tool pouch for storage, a pair of cut-resistant gloves, and even 6 wooden blocks to get you started on your projects right away. One of the standout features of this whittling kit is its durability. The sharp blades make these wood carving knives easy and comfortable to use, even if you're working for hours. The handles are made of beautiful black walnut, and they come with copper plate caps that hold the blades securely in place. This thoughtful design ensures that the handles are resistant to cracking or deforming over time, making them a reliable choice for your carving sessions. Another fantastic aspect of this set is its multifunctionality. Whether you want to carve wood, create intricate designs, or even try your hand at soap carving, this kit has you covered. The variety of tools allows you to experiment with different techniques, making it perfect for both hobbyists and those looking to refine their skills. Who is this wood carving kit suitable for? Well, it's designed with everyone in mind. Beginners will appreciate the user-friendly nature of the tools and the included cut-resistant gloves, which provide essential protection against cuts and abrasions. This means you can focus on honing your craft without worrying about safety. However, seasoned professionals will also find value in this set, as it offers a range of tools that can be used for both intricate and large-scale projects. Let's talk about some practical use cases for this wood carving tools set. If you're looking to create personalized gifts, such as custom wooden decorations or unique wooden utensils, this kit is an excellent choice. You can also use it to carve wooden toys for kids or even tackle more artistic projects that require precision and attention to detail. The included wooden blocks make it simple to start your carving journey right away, allowing you to practice and develop your skills without needing to source additional materials. Additionally, the leather strop, polishing compound, and sharpening stone included in the set are invaluable tools for maintaining the sharpness and longevity of your blades. Regularly caring for your tools ensures they remain effective and helps you achieve the best possible finish on your projects. In summary, if you're looking for a comprehensive wood carving tool set that combines quality, durability, and functionality, this 15-piece kit is an excellent choice. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike, providing everything you need to start carving and creating right away. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.